Hello, hello. So, the spunking of cash has already begun with bits for the bike ready for the trip in May. I know to some that might seem getting a bit ahead of myself, but there's a lot to do and a lot to spend. Frankly speaking, which I'm choosing to spend. You didn't have to do this. If anything, earlier last year I had a GSA 1250 GS with all the luggage, which would have been perfectly fine. Anyway, some bits arrived today. I've already put them on. They were very boring bits, so I didn't film them. But what I got is Barkbusters, which I'll show you in a sec. Some DoubleTake mirrors and the Perun Moto Luggage Rack. So, Barkbusters are self-explanatory, but the reason I got them was on the stock handguards, there's this bit missing. And I didn't like that because when you're riding, wind is just coming around that. So I wanted more hand protection, a bit like on the 1250 GS. I think you could get it from, I can't remember who it did. Anyway, they did an insert that filled it in and made it higher. So I've replaced that, and the Barkbusters come with a powder-coated black, or anodized black, piece of metal, which I think is nicer. The DoubleTake mirrors, which I'll show you in a sec, are to replace these. They're a bit prettier, probably a bit unnecessary, frankly, but they are good in case I drop it, so that is a good purchase. And lastly, the luggage rack from Perun Moto is a small company out in Serbia, and I found them by accident, really. But you'll see when I show you the piece, it sits really flush to the seat, excuse me, and it's really cut out so you can have it for the Mosko Moto, for Krieger, for various luggage systems. I'll be going for the Mosko Moto luggage, so it's perfect for that as well. And it wasn't a lot of money, like 150 quid. So with that, let's show you what I've done. Righty-tighty. So we'll go on to the rack first. And there you can see, nice that it's already cut out for any luggage system or multiple tie downs, which is very good and suitable for many bikes. There you can see how flush it sits to the back of the bike, which I like quite a lot. And it's got a nice overhang there, I think, for putting a bag on. So, a very good purchase, very happy with that. And then we have the Barkbusters and the DoubleTake. So, it's a bit more rugged looking, I suppose. But yeah, very clear, nice mirrors. And then the Barkbusters, I've already put in this other piece which creates more wind blockage, I suppose you'd call it. So yeah, they will make, it's one of those things, when it's really hot, it's fucking awful, but when it's cold, it's a godsend. And as you can see, all the black hardware. And there's from that side. So, a good initial start on the bits and bobs we need to do. A few more bits coming in the coming days and weeks, I suppose, and I'll do the same again. I'll just put them on and show you what I've done. What I will tell you also is that the bike is going off on a rolling road soon, and potentially tuned as well, which will be exciting. So yeah, the preparation has begun. The least fun part of the preparation is my my personal trainer starts on Friday at 7 AM. So perhaps I'll do a photo 3 times a week, and in the end 4 months we'll put it into a compilation of hopefully my tits slowly disappearing. Anyway, if you could hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Cheers.